Hello, today I want to show you how to speed up your HUAWEI Nova 13. Okay, let's get started. First, go into settings. Scroll down to System and Updates. And then on the top you have Software Update. Click on it. And then on the bottom, click Check for Updates. If you don't have the current version, please install it. Okay, another thing is uninstalling the apps that you don't use. So, go into Settings, scroll and look for Apps and Services. Click on Apps. And here simply pick the app that you want to uninstall. Another thing is the performance mode for the battery. To enable it, click on Settings, scroll and look for the battery, and enter performance mode. Another thing is cleaning up your phone. To do this, you can click on your optimizer and clean up the junk files. And the last thing is restarting your device from time to time. To do this, you have to hold the power button and click on Restart. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment.